right after our tags, we're going to require a title. Okay, this title is going to be for our additives. So we're just going to have a text component over here, right? So in our text, we're just going to let's just have something random first, and then add a style. So for our style, we're going to style it in here. If you're to not really. Okay, so we're going to use the one that we used for the title. Okay, so we're going to access styles, and we're going to get the one from the title. Okay, why do we have an error? Okay, so it's going to be like that. So we need to overwrite some of the props. So we need to put our style in an array. And then here we're going to have margin bottom. We're going to give it a bottom of 10. And we're going to have margin top. For top, we're going to give it a 20, something like that. So now we need our title instead of this random text that we put. So we're going to have something like additives and toppings. Okay, like that. That's going to be our title. After our title, we're going to require a flat list. So I'm just going to copy the flat list that we created on top for food tags, and we're going to make a little bit of changes to it. Okay. So we're going to paste it down, and the data that we're going to consume right underneath is going to be additives. So from item, we have additives. Okay, so that's going to be the data. So mind the spelling over here. It's supposed to be additives. And the item that the component that we're going to render here is going to be a little bit different. So first, we are going to get rid of this style, right? And we're going to have a flex direction. Our flex direction is going to be a row. So in our row, we need to justify content with space between, right? And we need margin bottom. So we're going to have MB, and we're going to have a margin bottom of 10 here. Okay.